How to cancel Shopify subscription. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cancel Shopify subscription. So let's get started. And now if you have bought a plan on Shopify and you have changed your mind and you want to cancel your subscription, then it's very easy to do. Now I would suggest that before you cancel your subscription, make sure that you change your domain and you export your domain that you have on Shopify store, and you can also export your products. And now you want to cancel the subscription, just go to settings, and in settings you will find the plan option. Click on plan. So it will show you your plan right here on Shopify. Whatever plan you have right now, it will show you. So right now I am actually using the trial version, right? So it's showing me that I can deactivate my trial. So it's really easy to cancel a subscription on Shopify. You can just go to plan and it will show you your plan that you have, and it will show you the deactivate option. Click on deactivate, confirm, and then Shopify will cancel your subscription and you will be able to leave Shopify or whatever you want to do next. We can also choose another plan, upgrade a plan, or downgrade a plan with this option right here. So of course I do not want to deactivate right now, so I will not click on this option, but you just have to click and confirm your cancel subscription and it will be canceled. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.